So just go over the measurement. I went with 1.5 inches lips throughout. I'll be cutting into the metal a little bit, the stainless steel, so that way I can fold it a little bit easier. Obviously, if you have a bending vise or if, a metal breaker, you'll be able to bend it a lot easier. Forgot to mention, this is a 19.5-ish by 36. So cut the groove as deep as you can. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up using the sanding disc, just going between the grooves. Because I know once I bend this, it'll be impossible to clean or, you know, to get the surface off. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but the line right here was just from me cutting, and it's not any particular folding. So it is possible to do this without a metal bender. The folding went much easier than I expected. Now we have this side corner right here, and on the other end that we'll be trying to fold. Once the two ends meet, I'm just gonna weld it from the back or the front and then shape it out so that way there's no sharp edges. So I managed to get it fold and turn at that corner and the other side as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and mark out where I want to cut. So all you need to do is just weld in this area right here. Try your best. I'm not a good welder, but I'll make it work. The one area I was afraid of when doing this project is this area, and still true to that. I won't be able to clean this curvature right here. Gotta figure out somehow, but for this moment, this will do. I'm gonna sand it down again with another, this is currently a 40 grit, probably a 180 or 150. And I'll finish up the grill top.